Hey you guys, it's the next day. My Amazon purchases, oh my god, look at my hair. My Amazon purchases came in finally because I've been missing these items and I need them for these couple of reels. Today is Friday, it's a Friday night. I'm staying in the house and I'm gonna get started on all the work I gotta get done as far as reels and planning my content. I also need to try on the clothes for tomorrow so that I can save time. I might. Let me wipe down this table. I'm going to be using this table. Shoot, it sprayed the couch. Oh my gosh. Okay. Good thing I didn't use my actual bleach. It's just a Lysol. Poor couch. Couch has been doing good. Just had it officially for a year. There's no stains on it. Definitely can't wait to see how I style it in my forever home. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy I got 2 phones. Make sure y'all follow me. BerryFae Aesthetics, BerryFae 19, BerryFae a Beauty. All right, so here's the first item. This is a maintenance kit for cleaning out your Keurig machine. It has cleaning cups and a dose of EOC descaler. It removes lime scale mineral and deposits from the pump and the boiler. So it's a kit to clean out your Keurig machine. I'll put the price on it, and of course may not be in this vlog, but eventually when I do open it and use it, I might use it tomorrow morning. Let me write that down. Okay. Part 3. Clean out Keurig with descaler vid. Alright, so this thing is something that you put inside of your purse. This is a organizer for the inside of your purse. I thought this was going to be a little different. I thought it was going to have like some type of handle, but whatever. So yeah, it's just to keep your purse organized. You let it sit right inside. We're going to test this out a little bit later. And it also has this little pouch thing as well. And the last thing I got is this milk frother. I am so excited. I'm going to use it tonight for something, so I'll show that in the vlog. But if you don't know what this is, it's perfect for making lattes, cappuccinos, hot coffee, coffee. Basically just put it in something and then put it in some milk and then whisk it up and to make it fluffy. So it just basically makes that fluffy milk at the top of like your cappuccinos and stuff. Super excited. I know I'm going to get a lot of good use out of this. So you guys, that is it. I think I'm going to go ahead and try out the milk frother. I'm in the mood for something, you know, nice. I'm going to make the Haitian Malta drink right now. So let's go ahead and set that up and go ahead and get the ingredients out. I'm just going to be using regular milk because I was supposed to go to the store to get carnation milk, but I forgot. So it is what it is. My favorite glass mug. Alright, so I got my mug here. So I'm gonna put it in this one so you can see straight through. This is gonna be so fun. Alright, so we got everything we need. Cereal in the back. Because I am the queen of aesthetics, I'm gonna put my sugar in this little cat bowl that I'm gonna be using. Let's do it. All right, my friends, I got you on a better tripod. Wow, I need to do this more often. All right, so I'm gonna keep y'all stable. The number one thing is I'm doing a reel, so y'all just gonna have to see it. I'm not gonna really explain it. So yeah, let's do it. bone apple teeth. Something that's supposed to take 2 minutes just took me 20. Gotta get that content. I love that milk frother. I'm about to be frothing everything. Put the rest of this sugar back. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in a second. I'm probably gonna wear these boots to church on Sunday. I need to take some content pictures with all these outfits, which is gonna be a long process, but love. They actually slip right off since they're so big. All right, y'all, I think I'm done for the night. Let me go ahead and try this little thing. I'm not gonna try it on a reel yet because I need to go get my body waxed, but let's try this out. This is chamomile and bergamot. So I'm gonna do my neck. My hands. Just gonna leave that at my bedside. See how that works out for my. Just kidding. Is that what it's supposed to do? You put it on and you. Do it got melatonin in it? I feel like I'm just talking to y'all, like y'all here with me. Wow, this lighting is so good. This is just the lighting for my shoes, y'all. Look, this is just that. And it looks so nice. Like I will never have to use that stinking lamp again. My Instagram followers are going about 4,392. It's crazy. That low no, I feel something happening. It's making me want to close my eyes for real. Oh my gosh. I'm like blinking. It's like a soothing blinking. It's not like burning, but I could feel it in my eyes. Chamomile oil creates a sense of well-being. Bergamot calms the mind and the body. Breathe deeply for the best results. It's working. Okay, I think I have to stop vlogging so I can really be calm. This is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna go get some more of this. I think that's actually very nice. It does feel very much calming. Anywho, y'all, let me go ahead and clean up all these bags. Let me clean up this jacket. Perfect. Can't wait to show y'all the behind this. Alright, you guys, I'm going to show you guys the Amazon stuff in the next clip, which is going to be either the next day or Friday. I need to go to bed. This thing is actually making me quite tired, this aromatherapy thing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the hay, the sack. First of all, I need to finish cleaning off this bed, and then I'm going to bed. So I will see y'all in the next clip. What's up, y'all? It's the next day. So my hair looks horrible, but I'll fix it up. Anywho, I'll fix it up later. But yeah, I'm about to show you guys the things that I got from the Amazon 4-star store yesterday, all the while creating a reel. Y'all know how I do. Make sure you're following BerryFae Aesthetics, BerryFae 19, and BerryFae Beauty, all three. You guys, my room looks so cute with the little perfume and the little purse. Can't wait to record a video with those things this weekend today. So here is the bag. Alright, so I just finished my reel. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. So the first thing I got was this Casa Smart Wi-Fi plug. This was mainly for, I got this mainly for my Christmas tree. I wanted to get it for Christmas that just passed, but I kept forgetting to buy it. So since I was inside of the Amazon store, I went ahead and picked it up, and I'm gonna try it out, and then I'm gonna save it for next Christmas, because that's the only time I need a plug like to turn on at certain times and turn off at certain times. I don't really need my phone or anything like that to be on a Wi-Fi plug. So we're gonna test that out later on. Then I bought a adapter because y'all know the new iPhones, they do not sell the back piece. So I went ahead and bought one because I have 2 new chargers, my 12 and my new iPhone 13, and they both don't have a back piece. So I don't use those chargers, I use my old one. So I went ahead and bought this so I can actually use the new ones. That way I can have one that stays at home and one that I travel with. Then I bought a fabric shaver. I really want to use this on my bed as well as a few of my clothes that I see have those little tiny fuzz things on. So stay tuned for that. I'm going to do a little quick little review on these things. Then we have some wine freeze cups. I've never seen these before, but I know some people like to freeze their cups and then put their beverages in it, so I figure why not buy the actual kind of cups. So we're going to test those out as well. Then I bought this Renault Clean professional quality cleaning brush set that you put on top of a drill, and it just helps you clean better, especially the shower and stuff like that. And then lastly, I bought this Chanel Collections and Creations book. I'm going to be using this on my coffee table because the new color scheme is going to be black, white with pops of green. So this is going to be perfect on the coffee table. So yeah, those are the things that I got from the Amazon 4-star store.